we're going to have 7 photo tips. Hopefully you make it through all 7. This is an intro for all 7 tips. You could find all the tips. I've got over 100. I'm at 115 right now. You will find them at photomentum.com. Make sure you check them out. So let's look at these tips. Let's look at tip number 1 for this first video. So on my website here, I am all the way at the bottom of my very first tip. I have many, so I am not going to jump to the top. Otherwise, I'd have to scroll for quite a while. So this first tip is my very first tip, and this was probably, and as I state in this blog post, probably the most important tip you'll ever receive in photography. And that is just get out there and shoot some photos. There are all kinds of rules. There's all kinds of settings to learn, but step number 1 is hitting that shutter button. Just get out there, click, take those photos, and work on your composition. You can learn about the exposure triangle later. You can learn about rule of thirds and all those other things later. But for today, get out there, take some photos. It's Doug Abbard, practicing photography. Have a great day.